to win?
A decent design, a lot of work, and somebody else messing up. He'd have had me if they hadn't missed that cone. But, you know, that was the way it went, so it was good. It was fun.
Well, we have no direction in our life, apparently, because the one buoy, I kept yelling at Brian, we're not going around the buoy. And we didn't go around this one buoy there, otherwise we had to kill it, didn't we? Oh, we had fun. We had a good time. Good event. Could have been life-changing if we would have won, but we didn't, you know. But it was fun.
Who built the boat?
Dave Turk built the boat, 100%. I mean, our boat is by far the classiest boat out here, thanks to Dave. I had nothing to do with it. He did a great job.
You guys did fantastic.
Thanks. It was fun. It was got a good time, really good time.